In x part you are having m plus 6 upon 9 is equivalent to the 1 plus 3m minus 4 upon 6. You have to solve this equation. First of all, make them separate. M upon 9 plus 6 upon 9 equivalent to the 1 upon 1 plus 3m upon 6 minus 4 upon 6. Is it clear? Now, shift the m terms in one side, m upon n, m upon 9. When I shift the 3m upon 6 from RHS to the LHS, it will become negative, minus 3m upon 6, right? Equivalent to the 1 upon 1 minus 4 upon 6. When I shift the 6 upon 9 from LHS to the RHS, it will become negative, minus 6 upon 9. Now, take the LCMs of both the sides. 9 और 6 का LCM निकालेंगे आप first of all. Okay, the LCM of 9 and 6 is 18. 9 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है आपका 2 ज़ा, तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय m is 2m माइनस 6 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है 3 ज़ा, 6 3 ज़ा 18, so 3m multiplied by 3 is 9m equivalent to the, here also LCM of 1, 6 and 9 is 18. राइट 1 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है 18 ज़ा, 1 18 ज़ा 18 माइनस 6 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है 3 ज़ा, सो 3 4 ज़ा 12 माइनस 9 की टेबल में 18 कब आता है 2 ज़ा, तो 6 2 ज़ा 12, राइट. सो 2m minus 9m, it is equivalent to the minus 7m upon 18 equivalent to the 18 minus 12 is minus 24 upon 18 minus 7m upon 18 is equivalent to the 18 minus 24, it is equivalent to the minus 6 upon 18. Clear? Now you want the value of m, तो m के साथ जितने भी टर्म्स होंगे उसको शिफ्ट करेंगे अनदर साइड में. 18 मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज हो जाएगा and minus 7 change into the division. So m is equivalent to the minus 6 multiplied by 18 upon 18 multiplied by minus 7. 18 1 18, 18 1 18. Minus to minus cut हो गया. So it is equivalent to the 6 upon 7. Or m is equivalent to the 6 upon 7. Right? Now you have find the value of m. Now you have to verify that your answer is correct or not. For this you will have to do the verification. Make 2 columns, one for the LHS and second one for the RHS. Right? In LHS you are having m plus 6 upon 9. In RHS 1 plus 3m minus 4 upon 6. Right? First of all, solve the LHS, then solve the RHS. M plus 6 upon 9. Right? So make them separate first. M upon 9 plus 6 upon 9. Now put the value of M. 6 upon 7 upon 9 plus 6 upon 9. Right? So 6 upon 7 multiply by 1 upon 9 plus 6 upon 9. 6 1 is 6, 7 9 is 63 plus 6 upon 9. So the LCM of 63 and 9 is 63. 63 की टेबल में 63 का बात है 1 ज़ा, तो 6 1 ज़ा 6 प्लस 9 की टेबल में 63 का बात है 7 ज़ा, तो 7 6 ज़ा 42. 6 plus 42 is 48 upon 63. Right? Now you got the solution of LHS. Now solve the RHS. In RHS you are having 1 plus 3m minus 4 upon 6. Right? First of all, make them separate. 1 upon 1 plus 3m upon 6 plus minus 4 upon 6. Right? So 1 upon 1 minus 4 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6. Take the LCM of 1 and 6 is 6. Right? 1 की टेबल 6 कब आता है 6 जा, तो 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 इज 6, माइनस 6 की टेबल में 6 कब आता है 1 जा, तो -4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज -4 प्लस 3/6. Right? Now put the value of m. Multiply by 6/7. 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6. Right? Now 6 minus 4 is 2/6 plus 3 1 is 3 upon 7 1 is 7. Right? Now take the LCM of 6 and 7. 6 7s are 42. LCM of 6 and 7 is 42. 6 की टेबल में 42 कब आता है 7 जा, तो 2 7s are 14 प्लस 7 की टेबल में 42 कब आता है 6 जा, 6 3s are 18. Right? So the 14 plus 18 is equivalent to the 14 plus 18 is equivalent to the 32/42. Now 48/63, इसको हम और फर्दर कट हो सकता है. देखो यहाँ पर रिड्यूस फॉर्म में चेंज हो सकता है. 3 1s are 3 and 3 6s are 18. 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So 16/21. देन ये भी फर्दर रिड्यूस हो सकता है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 16/21 is equivalent to the 16/21. So here the LHS is equivalent to the RHS. 16/21 is equivalent to the 16/21. Right? So x is m is equivalent to the 6/7 is the solution of m plus 6/9 equivalent to the 1 plus 3m minus 4/6. I hope it is clear to all of you. Y part you can do it yourself. Come to the Z part. 5x minus 6 upon 2x plus 4 equivalent to the 5. Right? Solve this equation by doing the cross product. 1 multiplied by 5x minus 6 equivalent to the 5 multiplied by 2x plus 4. Right? So 1 multiplied by 5x is 5x. 1 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 6 equivalent to the 5 multiplied by 2x is 10x. 5 multiplied by 4 is 4 5s are 20. Right? Now 5x. Shift this plus 10x from RHS to the LHS. It will become negative minus 10x equivalent to the 20. When I shift the minus 6 from the LHS to the RHS, it will become positive plus 6. So 5x minus 10x is equivalent to the minus के 5x equivalent to the 26. So x is equivalent to the 26 upon minus 5. In LHS 5 multiplication में था. When I shifted to the RHS, it changed into the division. Right? So x is equivalent to the 26 upon minus 5. Or we can say that x is equivalent to the minus 26 upon 5. This is a solution of this equation. Now you have to verify that this is the correct answer or not. For this you have to do the verification. Right? Make 2 columns, one for the LHS and second one for the RHS. In LHS 5x minus 6 upon 2x plus 4. In RHS 5/1. Right? Solve one side in one time, then after that solve the next side. First of all come to the LHS. Put the value of x. 5 multiplied by minus 26 upon 5 minus 6 upon 2 multiplied by minus 26 upon 5 plus 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 1 multiplied by minus 26 is minus 26. Minus 6. 2 multiplied by minus 26 is minus 52 upon 5 plus 4 upon 1. Right? Minus 26 and minus 6. It is equivalent to the minus minus plus. 26 plus 6 is 32. And 26 is greater and it is having the minus sign. So put minus sign in the answer. Minus 32. Now take the LCM of 5 and 1. LCM of 5 and 1 is 5. 5 की टेबल में 5 कब आता है 1 जा, तो 52 बन जा 52 माइनस 52 आएगा बिकॉज 52 इज हैविंग द माइनस साइन, प्लस 1 के टेबल में 5 कब आता है 5 जा, तो 4 5 जा 20, राइट. सो माइनस 32 अपॉन minus 52 plus 20 is minus 32 upon 5, right? So minus 32 multiply by 5 upon minus 32, right? Minus से minus का 2 है, 32 1 जा 32, 32 1 जा 32. So 1 multiply by 5 is 5 upon 1 multiply by 1 is 1. Right, now in RHS you are having 5 upon 1, 5 upon 1, 5 upon 1, 5 upon 1, right? 5 upon 1, 5 upon 1, 5 upon 1. So here the LHS is equivalent to the RHS. So 5 is equivalent to the 5. So we can say that the x equivalent to the minus 26 upon 5 is the solution of 5x minus 6 upon 2x plus 4 equivalent to the 5, right? Yes, students, I hope it is clear to all of you, right? And your exercise 7.1 is completed. So students, you can do this exercise in your notebook, and if you have any query, you can consult to me. Thank you and have a nice day.